Hi all, this is Ashok here from Phoenix Training, and the purpose of this session is to help you understand some of the terminologies associated with balance of payments. So the agenda will be to understand these terminologies: balance of payments, current account, capital account, FDI and FIIs. Right. So balance of payment graphically can be shown in this way, comprises of current account, capital account, and further current account comprises of balance of trade, factor income, transfer system. Similarly, capital account is further categorized into FDI and FII, which is also called as FPI, foreign portfolio investments. Now, let me just write over here and explain all this to you. Um, Balance of payment categorized into current account and so current account and capital account, and current account categorized into balance of trade, then factor income and aid, grants and gifts. Okay, capital account is comprising of FDI and FII, which is also called FPI. Now, when I say balance of trade, it will tell you the differences between uh, exports and imports, exports and imports of goods and services, That means tangible as well as intangible. Okay, services intangible. Exports and imports of goods and services done by one country with the rest of the world. Done by one country or one economy with the rest of the world. With the rest of the world. So balance of trade means for India it will be exports and imports. The differences between the differences between import and export between India and the rest of the world. Factor income is about dividends and interest payments. So whatever interest payments we receive, dividends we receive, and whatever dividends we give, and the interest we pay. So the net differences, dividend and interest payments, that is factored in factor income. Aid, grants and gifts is when one country is giving gift to another country, gift or aid during natural calamities, they donate or they support another country. So that will come under aid, grants and gifts. Okay. So all this together constitutes current account. Out of all this, balance of trade comprises the maximum part within current account, right? The next one is FDI. So FDI is foreign direct investment. So foreign direct investment is where investors, foreign investors are investing in our country, and they are investing in the business. That means they are setting up the business. Okay, they are setting up the business and running it. So they are setting up the business and running it. So that means they take controlling. So they take controlling ownership in a business entity. So they take controlling ownership. So they set up business. Basically, they set up business. Okay, they are headquartered or they registered in another country, and they are setting up a business in our country. So in that case, it will be considered as foreign direct investments. Whereas for FII, foreign institutional investors, which is also called as foreign portfolio investors, over here investors such as investment banks, hedge funds, mutual funds, all foreign hedge funds, mutual funds, foreign pension funds. So they all pension funds, okay, pension funds, hedge funds. So they all invest, mutual funds, they all invest in our country. So when they invest in our country, then it becomes foreign institutional investors, also called as foreign portfolio investments. Okay. So these together, all this constitutes capital account. Okay. And when you club this current and capital account together, what you get is balance of payment, which is the case of you know which is the case of one economy's transactions with the rest of the world. Okay, one country's economic transactions with the rest of the world. This is balance of payments, which I have articulated it over here. So balance of payment, difference between transactions of one economy with the rest of the world, and it includes exports, imports, goods, services, because it includes both current account as well as foreign institutional investments. That's why financial asset is also coming here, right? Okay, then current account. So I have articulated all this. You can go through it. Okay, current account, exports minus imports, factor income, that is interest and dividend payments, and transfer system is aid, grants, and gifts. Similarly, for capital account, FDI and FII, which I have articulated it over here. Fine. Yeah, that's it then. Thank you so much. Thanks for your time.